Today, Sarah and I are going to make an Italian classic, and it's the Pizza Margherita. Here we have some tomatoes that we crushed. We're gonna add just a pinch of sugar and some salt. And guys, that's it. You don't need to add anything else. We're gonna stir this up, set it aside, and then flour our work surface. Here we have some dough balls in these wonderful little dough trays that fit perfectly in your refrigerator. So we're gonna place it right here on top of our dusted work surface. And then we're going to stretch it out. So I'm gonna go all the way around the circumference of this dough ball. And then sometimes what you can do is you can lift the dough up and just allow gravity to pull on it, and that will stretch it even more. So I'm gonna go all the way around, or you can even slap it around, and that also will stretch the dough. I'm gonna get my fists just like so, both of them under there, and gently stretch, just like that. And that will also further stretch the dough. Here we have a nice, beautiful stretch dough that we can put the toppings on. So there are many theories about how Pizza Margherita was born. And one of them is when Umberto I di Savoia, il Re Umberto, that's the King of Savoia, with his wife Margherita, the Queen, they went to Naples in 1889. And they visited this place where a pizzaiolo, and his name is Raffaele Esposito, made them a special pizza and named it after the Queen. So, and her name is Margherita. So now all he did was kind of choose the colors of the Italian flag, green, the white, and the red, and made this pizza in her honor. And this is what we've done today. Just a little salt and a nice giro d'olio, a nice little drizzle of olive oil, and this guy is ready to go into the oven. Here we have our perforated peel, and what's nice about it, any excess flour will go right through the holes. So you put it under the pizza and just kind of, our oven is nice and hot. Now with a quick move of the peel, I place the pizza in there, and we're gonna get to see the oven magic. Let's peek inside. You see the crust, the edge is already bubbling up. And now very gently, we're gonna rotate the pizza. We are almost ready. Let's peek underneath and see what it looks like, and it is perfection. This pizza is ready to come out. And here we are. We can hardly wait to dig in. We're gonna add just a few more fresh basil leaves right on top. And then with our pizza cutter, we're gonna cut right through it and call everybody to the table to enjoy this delicious pizza. What about another quick drizzle of olive oil? And all that is left to do is to wish you un buon appetito.